Hi everyone, welcome back to the session. So today we are going to be talking about analogies. Analogies are a type of figurative language that are compared, that compares two things to show how they are similar to each other. So without any further ado, let's get the session started. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is to find the root pair. So you'll be given a root pair like this, pride is to lion. So pride is to lion is the root pair here. So we have to find the relationship between these two words. So what's the relationship between pride and lion here? So when you are talking about pride, we have two meanings here, primary meaning and secondary meaning. So the primary meaning here is quality of being proud. Okay, moving on to the secondary meaning, a group of lions. Okay, so let's see. Let's consider the options, okay? Peace is to dove, fox is to sly, pile is to book, and strong is to elephant. So, fox is to sly. Fox is a noun, and sly is the quality, quality of the fox. And the role is actually reversed here. Here we have quality first, and then comes the noun. Okay, so this is actually reversed here. So we can eliminate easily. We can eliminate B option easily. Moving on to the other options. Peace is to dove. Again, quality. We have the same, strong is to elephant is also similar, right? Both of these options have quality. So this is not going to be the right fit. So we can eliminate this. And we can consider the secondary meaning now. Okay. So when we are talking about the secondary meaning of pride, the secondary meaning of pride is collective noun, right? So what is the collective noun here? Pile. Pile is the collective noun for book, right? Pile of books, right? So the answer is pile is to book. Got it? So this is how you are supposed to analyze your analogy. So moving on to the questions now. Yes. So the first question is respect is to regard. So we have to find the relationship between these two words. So what's the relationship? Respect is a positive word, regard is a positive word, and both of these words are synonym to each other, right? So the relationship is synonyms. Okay, so stain, spotless are antonyms. So we can eliminate that. Ruin and repair, antonym. Eliminate. Detest and despise, synonyms. Yes, what is detest? Detest is dislike of somebody. Yes, despise is hatred towards somebody. So both of these words are negative words, and again it is synonym to each other, similar to each other, and it goes well with the same relationship of respect and regard. So the answer is option C. Let's consider D as well. So D is regret and rejoice, antonym to each other, right? So we can eliminate that option as well. So moving on to the second question. So what is the second question here? Typist is to typewriter. So we have to find the relationship for writer and the other word. So the root pair is typist is to typewriter. So what is the relationship between typist and typewriter here? So typist is a person, right? So he uses the device typewriter to produce a work. Okay, so a typist is a person who operates a typewriter to produce a written work. Moving on to typewriter. So a typewriter is a device with keys that enables the user to type letters, numbers, or something like that. Yes. So moving on to, this is the relationship between typist and a typewriter. Typist a person, typewriter is a key tool, device or tool basically. Okay, moving on to find the relationship between writer and the tool. So we want a writer as a person, and what's the tool he uses? Let's find that out. So a writer, a person who produces written works such as books, scripts, and stories, right? So we can easily eliminate books, scripts, and paper. Why is that? Because a book is what the writer produces. Script is what the writer produces. It's not the tool of the writer, but pen is the tool. It's the device of the writer. Okay. Moving on to the next question. Okay. So here we have happiness and misery. So happiness and misery is antonym to each other. So the relationship is antonym. Okay. So opposite kind of a word. Violent and wild. Both are synonyms. So we can eliminate that. Construct, dismantle. So construct and dismantle are opposites. So this could be the answer, but let's consider the other options as well. Moving on to C, deception and fraud. Synonym. So we are eliminating that. Tranquility and quietness. What is tranquility? Calmness. Okay. Quietness, calmness. So synonym to each other. We can eliminate that as well. So the answer is option B. Moving on to fourth. Canoe is to boat. So canoe is a type of a boat. So mansion is a type of what? So the relationship between canoe and boat is canoe is a type of a boat. So what's mansion? What's the relationship of mansion? Which would best suit? House, right? So a mansion is a type of a house. So the answer is C. Okay. So yeah, so that's all for today. So thank you so much.